So now we've got our page, we've set a few things up, we've shown how to change some of the details, change some of the buttons around, put in our call number, everything that we want. Now, one of the big things is how am I going to integrate some Go High Level? So we've got really nice design pages here. So once it's been obviously fully finished, but I want to have Go High Level. So the biggest one and the one that's going to be the most important is a form. This is going to be the most easiest to access one based off what we're using. So let's come in here. We're going to be using some HTML code. So we'll bring this in and drop it there. So we can drop our HTML code from Go High Level in. So when we bring up our Go High Level, we've got our forms that have already been created. So let's cancel this. Let's just proceed. So when you're in your thing, come to your site, your forms, and your builder. Here's just one that's already set up for us. So we'll come in to edit this. There's two things we're going to be wanting to make sure that we've set up on this. In our styles and options, on submission, we want to make sure it opens up our URL. To go to our thank you page. This will make sure that after this gets sent, someone will get sent to the thank you page as soon as they fill out the form. We're going to want this because of this. We're going to be tracking this URL for our data later and sending this to Google Ads. The next thing we're going to want, so let's quickly save that. We then want to integrate this. So we're just going to have this in line. I'm just going to grab my copy embed code here because I'm not setting a pop-up. And then I can throw that in there. We now have our Go High Level form here. As you'd have everything set up, this would show up slightly differently. And you may want to adjust this if possible. Sometimes it can work quite well in the heading. So if I want to duplicate that, get rid of my content, get rid of my buttons, get a copy of this, put it in. Come on. Make that 80%, oh, not quite. Let's make it 60%. Make that full width. And we could have a form right in the header as well. So when someone that is way too high up there. There we go. That's looking a bit better. So when someone landed on our page, there'd be details here, call button, form, all available right at the start.